How to fix GCash app not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you are facing problem with your GCash application, then first things first, go ahead and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, as if you are not connected to a proper working internet connection, then the app will not work. Next, go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for GCash app and make sure that the GCash app is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app to its latest version. Once done, go ahead and see if the app is working or not. If not, then you can simply go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on the search bar there, or simply tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, navigate to GCash app and then tap on the offload app option you see there and offload the app and reinstall the app again and see if that helps. If not, then the most effective fix for this issue is go back to your home screen and tap hold on the GCash app and then tap on the remove app option and then tap on delete app. Once deleted, go ahead and reinstall the application from your app store, and by now the GCash app on your iPhone should be working just fine. So this was about how you can fix GCash app not working on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.